We'll find the perimeter and the area of the rectangle with length 9.4 centimeters and width 7.01 centimeters. Let's start by finding the perimeter, and let's begin that process by writing the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have P equals 2 times the quantity length plus the width. Once we have the formula written, we can substitute a number for the length and the number for the width. The length is 9.4 centimeters, so we have 2 times 9.4 centimeters plus the width is 7.01 centimeters. And adding inside the parentheses, we have 2 times, adding 9.4 and 7.01, we have 16.41 centimeters. And multiplying 2 times 16.41, we have 32.82 centimeters. This is P, or the perimeter of the rectangle. And notice the units are centimeters. To find the area, we will again start by writing the formula for the area of a rectangle. A equals length times the width. And we substitute 9.4 centimeters for the length and 7.01 centimeters for the width. Now to multiply, we multiply 9.4 times 7.01, and we think of multiplying the centimeters times the centimeters. We can think of units in this way. Carrying out the multiplication, 9.4 times 7.01, we would get 65.894. Now, since we have centimeters times centimeters, we write as our units square centimeters. Notice the difference between the units for perimeter, which is centimeters, and area, which is square centimeters. So we have found the perimeter and the area of the rectangle.